Scientists have recorded the light from a star being torn apart by a black hole. They have watched a comet bombard an entire planet. They have detected two dead stars colliding hard enough to distort space-time. And one morning, an asteroid exploded over a city before anyone knew it was coming. These are not predictions about what space might do. Every event in this countdown was detected, recorded, or witnessed. And as we move closer to Earth, the distance protecting us begins to disappear. Number 7. The explosion that refused to end. On July 2nd, 2025, detectors registered an explosion in deep space. Most gamma-ray bursts disappear within seconds or minutes. This one continued for more than 7 hours. GRB 250702b became the longest gamma-ray burst ever observed, lasting nearly twice as long as the previous record holder. It continued for so long that no high-energy monitor in space was equipped to capture the entire event. Astronomers had already recorded roughly 15,000 gamma-ray bursts. None behaved like this. One proposed explanation involves a black hole spiraling into a companion star. After stripping away its outer gas, the black hole may have entered the star and consumed matter from inside, launching powerful gamma-ray jets. Another possibility involves a star being destroyed by a larger black hole. The answer remains uncertain. But after decades of observation, the universe produced a burst that broke the category. Not because it was merely bright, because it would not stop. Number 6. The week Jupiter was bombarded. In 1993, astronomers discovered Comet Shoemaker-Levy 9. But Jupiter's gravity had already torn it into more than 20 pieces. Scientists calculated their path. The fragments were going to hit the planet. Beginning on July 16, 1994, they struck one after another. For 6 days, telescopes and spacecraft recorded 21 separate impacts. The fragments entered Jupiter's atmosphere at around 60 kilometers per second. They blasted material as high as 3,000 kilometers above the cloud tops and left dark scars visible for months. The original comet may have been up to 2 kilometers wide. An object of comparable size striking Earth could produce effects far beyond the impact site, including severe atmospheric and climatic disruption. Shoemaker-Levy 9 proved that major planetary impacts are not confined to ancient history. They still happen. This time, Jupiter was in the way. Number 5. The star pulled apart. In January 2019, a star passed dangerously close to a black hole, roughly 6 million times the mass of the Sun. The black hole's gravity pulled much harder on the star's near side than its far side. The difference tore the star apart. Some gas escaped. The rest swung around the black hole, heated up, and produced a growing flare of radiation. Astronomers call this a tidal disruption event. NASA's test satellite was already observing that part of the sky. It detected ASASSN-19BT on January 21st, more than a week before ground-based telescopes discovered the outburst. Scientists did not receive a close-up image of the star being shredded. They captured something scientifically valuable, the earliest stages of its changing light. The destroyed star may have been similar in size to our Sun. It was stretched into a stream of gas, wrapped around a black hole, and transformed into radiation that traveled 375 million years to reach us. Number 4. The collision that distorted space-time. On August 17, 2017, two neutron stars completed a collision millions of years in the making. Each contained more mass than the Sun, crushed into an object roughly the size of a city. As they spiraled together, they sent ripples through space-time. LIGO and Virgo detected those gravitational waves. Just 1.7 seconds later, spacecraft recorded a short gamma-ray burst from the same region. Observatories around the world turned toward a galaxy approximately 130 million light-years away. They watched the aftermath glow in an explosion called a kilonova. Analysis of the ejected material revealed signs of newly formed heavy elements, including gold. For the first time, scientists studied the same cosmic collision using both gravitational waves and light. Two dead stars had collided. Their final moments did not simply illuminate space. They distorted its geometry. But the final three events did not remain safely in distant space. Their effects reached our neighborhood. Number 3. The brightest gamma-ray burst ever recorded. On October 9th, 2022, an extraordinary pulse of radiation swept across the solar system. It had traveled for approximately 1.9 billion years. Its name was GRB 221009A. Astronomers called it the boat, the brightest of all time. The burst overwhelmed most gamma-ray instruments in orbit, forcing researchers to reconstruct its true intensity. Their result was staggering. It was approximately 70 times brighter than any gamma-ray burst previously recorded. An event appearing this bright in Earth's sky may happen only once every 10,000 years. But the burst did more than trigger telescopes. Its X-rays and gamma rays measurably disturbed Earth's ionosphere. A star collapsed in another galaxy. Its radiation crossed almost 2 billion light years. And when it arrived, our atmosphere reacted. The event was far too distant to threaten life. But Earth still registered the death of that star. The Sun erupts. A massive cloud of plasma expands. The eruption crosses Earth's orbit. Stereo A is struck. Satellites and electrical grids appear. On July 23, 2012, the Sun launched an extreme cloud of magnetized plasma through Earth's orbit. The eruption struck NASA's Stereo A spacecraft directly. Earth was elsewhere. Had the eruption occurred roughly 1 week earlier, our planet would have been in its path. Researchers concluded that the storm may have rivaled the Carrington event of 1859. That historic storm drove auroras toward the tropics and caused telegraph equipment to spark and catch fire. A comparable direct hit today could disrupt satellites, navigation, and radio communication. Electrical currents generated through power networks could also damage transformers that are difficult to replace. The eruption was not hypothetical. It crossed Earth's orbit, carrying enough energy to threaten technologies modern society depends upon. Nothing stopped it. Earth avoided the direct strike because it was at a different point in its orbit. 1 week separated a remarkable scientific observation from a potential global emergency. A normal winter morning in Chelyabinsk. Traffic moves through the city. A brilliant fireball appears. People approach windows. The sound disappears. Hold for 2 seconds. The shock wave strikes. Glass explodes inward. On the morning of February 15th, 2013, a brilliant object tore across the sky above Chelyabinsk, Russia. Drivers stopped. People raised their phones. Others moved toward windows. The asteroid was only around 20 meters across, but it entered the atmosphere at more than 18 kilometers per second. It exploded high above the ground, releasing approximately 440 kilotons of energy. For a moment, the fireball appeared brighter than the sun. Then nothing happened. Not immediately. Light had reached the city first. The shock wave was still coming. Approximately 2 minutes later, it struck. Windows shattered across thousands of buildings. Around 1,500 people were injured, many by flying glass. There had been no advance warning. The asteroid approached from within 15 degrees of the sun's direction. A region ground-based optical surveys cannot effectively search. It was hidden not by darkness, but by daylight. Chelyabinsk was far smaller than an asteroid capable of causing global destruction. It also broke apart high in the atmosphere. Yet its explosion released energy equivalent to approximately 35 Hiroshima-sized bombs, and it arrived above an inhabited area without being detected beforehand. This event was not first witnessed through a distant telescope. It was recorded through office windows, car windshields, and security cameras. People saw the flash. They had time to wonder what it was. Then the glass came toward them. Most events in this countdown were never a direct threat to Earth. Jupiter is not our planet. A black hole hundreds of millions of light years away cannot reach us. And a gamma ray burst in another galaxy is not automatically an extinction warning. But these events reveal the universe without the comforting filter of imagination. Stars are torn apart. Planets are struck. Dead stars distort space-time. Radiation crosses galaxies. Solar storms cross our orbit. And small asteroids can still approach from directions our telescopes struggle to observe. Space is not frightening because it is empty. It is frightening because it is active, violent, and not finished surprising us. Sometimes the danger does not emerge from darkness. Sometimes it appears brighter than the sun. Which event deserves its own full SciQuest investigation? Tell us in the comments, like the video and subscribe to SciQuest, because somewhere in the universe, the next impossible event may already have begun.